Here's the queen. She did really good. And now she's doing so much better that she quit pushing. We got lots of babies. The lighting is very bright in here today. Got some sunshine. She went potty this morning, and then we had to get her all washed up. I need to get her bedding done, but they don't want to leave, so I'm gonna have to do a switcheroo. Next time she wants to go out to go potty, then I'll get her new bedding down and everything washed up here. Quite the night we had. We were up until 1 o'clock in the morning, and then I slept right there in my chair by her. Make sure she was all right, and she was. Babies are doing good. She had a half a pound of liver this morning. She had cottage cheese. Right now I just got her 4 boiled eggs, and I'm going to see if she can't get them down. She loved liver and liver water this morning. That'll boost her up a little bit more. She'll have more liver this afternoon. Some chicken we've got going. And of course, I'll get her back on kibble in a day or so. She'll start eating that. But right now, I just need to get her levels back up. They do get vitamins as well. They got prenatal vitamins as well as postnatal now. So she'll switch vitamins. She doesn't need all that folic acid anymore. She'll get her new postnatal vitamins. There are 2 little girls. I'll see if I can find the here he is. See just a little here. Let me see. It's okay. Look at her. She's got just a little bit on the top of her head. And so does her sister. Just a little itty bitty stripe. Those, they actually won't stay. But last night they were sucking together right next to one another, and I thought, oh, they're sisters. I see if anybody else does. No, I think that was it. So one thing that I have to do is I always put a little Vaseline on their back ends, because sometimes that first poop in the meconium gets a little sticky. So I keep their bottoms good. So far, so good here. I got a little guy who has a little bit. Otherwise, if it gets stuck, then they can't poop. So we got to watch that every day. See, there's a little bit, so I'll wash that off. And then we put a little Vaseline on it. So constantly rotating about every hour, making sure that everybody's bellies are nice and full like this one. Some of these need a little help finding their meals. So I just keep on rotating them. Mom gets lots of loving. Snacks throughout the day. Just absolutely beautiful, aren't they? Yes, they are. Look at that little paws. Brand new little itty bitty paw. fighting over one. Here. It's okay. There's one right here. Look at there. There's one right there. Can you get that one? There you go. Just help them a little bit. Are you done? Nope, you're not done. You're not done. It's actually beautiful coloring. If I back up like this, probably they're just a little bit darker than what the light is showing. So the closer I get, the lighter they get. The further away I go, the darker they get. But they are about that color. Subscribe and share. Give this girl some thumbs up. And we're going to keep on taking care of babies here.